Guys, welcome back. It is Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. Today, no trades from me. I think we started off, like right here, and I saw this low get swept, and we also tapped into, where is it? Yeah, we were in this 4 hour here, respected, and I wanted to see higher prices after that, but I was holding off until after 11:30ish, I think it was, because Trump was speaking and there was a couple speakers before him, so I was just waiting, but price action just did not want to give us anything good in the AM session. So I just ended up closing the charts. But we left these equal highs right here. When was this? 1 o'clock. We left equal highs here. I wanted to see like this get swept and a reaction, and we did sweep this here. And this was, I was in class just looking at the charts, but the only problem was we weren't getting like really any momentum, and there was still a big 2-minute gap here that we never closed above, as well as this one, 2 minutes. This is the one I was looking for. I was thinking, okay, if we get some sort of a close above here with good momentum, I'll take this back up to the equal highs. And my idea was right. I mean, you can see where price targeted pretty clearly there. It's just the price action just didn't play out in that moment when I was able to look at the charts. And then of course, 30 minutes after I closed them, we get this super nice V shape, swept these lows here, and got the continuation that I was looking for when I did happen to get some time to hop on the charts. But this was like between classes, so once my second class started, I couldn't take this. Unfortunately, I got back on the charts like around here, so everything was pretty much long gone. I could have longed from like one of these, but at that point it wasn't worth it, and like the RR would have been, what is this? It's still 30 points, not bad, but I just wasn't in a good spot to try this. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm glad I was able to just not push any buttons. Really excited that I'm kind of like not taking it less seriously. Obviously, this is like, my life depends on this shit, but just relaxing and not forcing things when they're not there. Being very patient and being okay with not taking a trade and keeping my capital. I'm really trying hard to work on that, so when the next funded comes around, I'm able to just maintain the same consistency mentally and technically on the charts. So yeah, not anything from me today. This was when I woke up, so you can imagine. This was my higher time frame target. We had resting equal highs here, our relative equal highs that I wanted to get taken. We never ended up coming all the way up there, but I'm sure by tomorrow or the end of the week we'll reach newer highs. My weekly target, sitting up here around 2100 or 21,661. So yeah, I'd like tomorrow for us to maybe come up and get these equal highs if we don't take those in the overnight, and then also maybe take these highs from last Monday. Yeah, this Monday, the highs we created on Monday. So we don't, other than that, unless we fucking dump for some reason, I don't see any reason for us to go back down here. This is a protected low now. We swept the low inside of a higher time frame fair value gap, and this is kind of a higher time frame continuation. So I'm in my mind, I'm seeing this. We went up here, we came back, swept a lot of lows, and tapped into this fair value gap to the left, and I'm looking for this tomorrow or the next day or by the end of the week. So yeah, that's what I'll keep in mind. And I hope you guys, if you did take a trade, I hope it was in the PM session. I hope you guys had a successful trade. I will be back tomorrow, and I'll be able to fully monitor the AM session, because Tuesdays and Thursdays I have class really early, so I can't just sit on the charts, unfortunately. But if we do get some ridiculous chop again, at least I'll be able to hang around a little bit longer and hopefully catch something in the PM. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.